Ukuthula. Ngibingelela ingilosi enkulu yaqala ibandla, uRafaeli. Ngibingelela ingilosi uMholi uMalusi. Ngibingelela abagcwetshiwe bonke kanye nebandla lonke. My topic for today is bold purity, guarding the temple. Being bold means being fearless. As young people, we don't need to be fearful of sin, but we need to fear God. And by the word purity, purity is next to holiness. Guarding the temple means protecting our bodies from sin. As Paul says from the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 18, when he says, flee from sexual immorality. All other sins a person commits are outside the body. Whoever sins sexually sins against their own body. And when you read verse 18, he says, do you not know that your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit, who is in you? Therefore, you are not your own. And when you read from the book of Hebrews chapter 13, verse 4, ukugana kulungile kubona bonke umphetho ongenacala, kepha isihlobongi neziphingo uNkulunkulu akuzilahla. In other words, this verse simply means that sex before marriage is a sin. Ngithanda ukuthi singabantu abasha siphinde sibukele kuJosepha uma sifunda incwadi kaGenesis 39 from verse 7 kuya verse 12. uJosepha wabehlala eGibhithe emzini kaPotifa owabe eyisikhulu eGibhithe. Ngelinye ilanga uPotifa washiya uJosepha nomuzi wakhe kanye nonkosikazi wakhe ngoba wabethembakele kuyena. Kuthena uma ngabe besele bobabili, umkaJosepha umkaPotifa wabe esethi kuJosepha, uJosepha makalale naye. Kepha uJosepha wanqaba wathi angikwazi ukwenza lokhu ngoba kube emehlweni kaNkulunkulu. Ngelinye ilanga wambamba, kepha uJosepha wabaleka kwasala ibhantshi lakhe ezandleni zikaMkaPotifa. Ngakho uJosepha wakwenza lokhu ngoba eqonda ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungcwele. Ngakho nathi kufanele sibe ngcwele ukuze uNkulunkulu asibusise. Esontweni evikini lokugcina ngeSabatha mhla ka-30 September 2025, uMholi uMalusi uthena enkonzweni, for as long as Christ is on the throne, it will end well. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.